British government has no right to demand explanation from Buhari over Nnamdi Kanu's arrest, Gabashew claims. Reactions and controversies keep trailing the arrest of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, as reports regarding his arrest keeps pouring in. This time, it has been reported that the British government said that the Buhari-led government will be explaining in details how Nnamdi Kanu was arrested and extradited to Nigeria. Despite the fact that reports stated that Kanu was arrested in Kenya, the Nigerian government has refused to say whether or not the IPOB leader was truly arrested in Kenya, as widely speculated by him and his supporters. Nnamdi Kanu has narrated to his lawyer, Aloy Ejimako, how he was arrested and tortured for days in Kenya before he was extradited to Nigeria. According to Kanu, the security operatives that arrested him in Kenya thought he was a Boko person, which is why they tortured him severely. Daily Post Nigerian has reported that the United Kingdom Parliament said that the process by which Nnamdi Kanu was arrested in Kenya and extradited to Nigeria will be explained by the Nigerian government. According to Lord Tariq Ahmad, a British Minister of State for Commonwealth, President Muhammad Buhari needs to explain how his government repatriated Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya. Who is that person that is saying that Buhari owes no explanation to the UK government? You see, that is ignorance in its making. Ignorance in its making. You see, why are they now saying that Buhari owes no explanation to the UK? Why are they now saying that UK has no right to demand for explanation from Buhari? Do you know that since the UK have demanded for this explanation from Buhari till this very day, till this very moment that I am giving this broadcast, Buhari has not even made any attempt to put anything into writing or pass it as a verbal message of how Nnamdi Kanu was extradited. Why? That is to tell you that Buhari cannot be able to defend that fact that yes, that Nnamdi Kanu was extradited in a very legal way. Buhari knows it, that the process they use in extraditing Nnamdi Kanu is illegal. That is why he cannot be able to present it or able to say anything about it. The so-called AGF Malami knows too. He knows too. Okay? So why can't they be able to explain clearly to the UK? Why? Why can't they? If they know that they are in their rights, if they know that what they did was right, why can't they present it? My dear viewers, Nigerian government, I bet you this is a very clear fact that they are going to lose this case. They're going to lose it. No doubt about it. No doubt. Because the facts are there. You see, beginning from the period of extradition from Kenya down to the torture Nnamdi Kanu received in Kenya to the detention in Nigeria. What am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say to the public is that both Buhari and AGF Malami, they are aware. They are very much aware that all the process that has been taken right from the period Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, extradited, and detained, all of those processes are unlawful, illegal, and criminally carried out. Did you listen to what AGF Malami said one certain time? AGF Malami said, I am sorry. Why did he say I'm sorry? He said, I am sorry because what? Because he knows that the process that they use in extraditing Nnamdi Kanu is a criminal process. You know, it's a criminal process. He said that, sorry, I didn't know that it is not in the Nigerian constitution. Crazy. A crazy statement coming from Minister of Justice. So, what are you going to say about such a person saying such a thing that he didn't know? Will you say that such a person worth becoming Minister of Justice? Will you see that? Come on. Let's call a spade a spade. See, Buhari knows that they are already in for it. He knows they are in for it. He knows that they have committed blunders. See, let me tell you something. The extension of Nnamdi Kanu's trial, the extension has a lot to do with all of the atrocities the federal governments have committed since Nnamdi Kanu was extradited to Nigeria. They are afraid. Why is Kenya trying to exempt themselves? Why is Kenya trying to deny the fact that they are the one that arrested and detained Nnamdi Kanu before handing him over to Nigerian police? Why are they denying it? Because they have pictured the whole thing. They have seen that, oh, this guy, oh my God, we have made a big mistake. Yes, it's laughable. It's very much laughable. Because, the whole thing is just looking so strange. Okay, look at the Nigerian government that is claiming that Nnamdi Kanu should come back for his trial. Nnamdi Kanu should come back for his trial. Nnamdi Kanu should come back for his trial. Now Nnamdi Kanu is back for his trial. Now they are now running away from the trial that they are calling Nnamdi Kanu to come back for. You see that? Okay, now let us fast track this trial. They are not the one running away from it. Why? Because they have a very dangerous hidden agenda. A very dangerous one, no? You see, Nigerian government is the most craziest and the most dangerous country that I've ever seen. Very dangerous country, you see. Seriously, they're very dangerous, and that is why America is very, very afraid of accommodating them. Very much afraid of accommodating them. Do you know that some African countries have been given access to travel abroad? Do you know that? But Nigeria, nothing of that. Ghana of yesterday have access to travel abroad now. Easy passport, easy visa to any Ghanaian that want to travel to the UK. But Nigeria, you need to pass through the rigorous interview before you can make it to the UK. What are we saying? Because of the corruption. The corruption in Nigeria is too strong. It's too strong. I dropped my case here. Let me open the door for you to come in at least. Not to exhaust the whole time here. Okay, so whatever you have, please deem it fit to come in. Let's hear you. Let's know what you have to say about this. Meanwhile, I appreciate you for the many comments, mails that you have been sending us. In fact, they have been very useful to us. Let me hear you on this very broadcast. Don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.